Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay Cobb here, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys one of the simplest ways you can start making money online or add an additional income to what you're already doing. Stay tuned. So, like I said, guys, in this video I want to share with you guys one of the simplest ways you can start generating some income from home. Alright, so if this is your first time to any of my videos, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys get any value, and be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you like about this video, what I can do better. I'm always trying to make my videos and my content better for you guys. Alright, so here's the deal. I want to talk about one of the simplest ways you can start making money online. Now, currently, guys, I'm a network marketer and I'm also an affiliate marketer. So the idea is I'm always looking for ways to add additional income streams to my portfolio, right? You know, I may run some paid ads. I may want to attend some network marketing events. I may want to buy courses, books. So the cool thing is when you can start to generate multiple streams of income to help offset some of your expenses. So the idea is, you know, you want to position yourself to where you're not only obligated to one income stream. So it's like your job. Like, there's nothing wrong with a job, okay? The problem with the job is that it's only one source of income. If something happens, I mean, it wipes you out. So the point is online that you want to begin to have different streams of income where they kind of work for you. Right? You don't mean you want to be trying to promote, you know, this business, promote this business, promote this business. The idea is you want to promote something in a way where it's scaled out, where you can do other things, and it basically works on autopilot, just like I'm doing with this video right here. All right. So if you guys want to know more about this actual program that I'm about to share with you guys, there will be a link below. Click that link, guys. There'll be a video to give you full details of exactly what I'm about to break down with you guys. But basically, I want to share with you the simplicity of something that you need to consider going forward. All right. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So there are a few key components when you want to start really making money online. Now, I get it, guys. You got drop shipping, you got affiliate marketing, you got network marketing, you got real estate, you got a whole bunch of things that you can really start making income. But I'm talking about online. And I found that one of the simplest, easiest ways to really start seeing a return on your money is daily pay opportunities. Okay? Now, it's 2019, guys, and these things work, right? I jumped into one of these programs last September. It was like September, October of 2018. And guess what? I was able to do my entire Christmas shopping from the commissions that I made with this program that I'm sharing with you guys right now. But I'm not here to talk about the program. I'm here to talk about the leverage of that program and things that you should consider when you start doing a daily pay opportunity. All right. So the first thing, guys, is that you want to have a product. You got to have a great product. Okay. And what I'm going to share is the price points of these products. Okay. So the first thing, guys, is you want to have a product. Okay. Now, with this product, guys, there are a few ways to get started. There's a $25 option, a $100 option, a $250 option, a $500 option, and we just released a $1,000 option. All right, now here's the thing. All these, guys, are one-time investments. Okay, one-time investments basically position you or set you up to make those commissions. So, for example, let's say you were to come in at the $100 package, all right, which is one of my most popular packages. But you come in at the $100 package. What it does is this: it positions you now to be able to receive $25 commissions as well as up to $100 commissions. All right. Now, the reason why this is my most popular one is because most people that get started, they want to set themselves up to make that $125 commission, which we'll talk about more in the link in the description. But the idea is you get to position yourself where you want to be placed there to receive commissions. Even if it's $25, if you're on a shoestring budget and you just want to get in the game, see if this thing works, $25 is a good start. But if you start at $25 and someone comes in at $100, that's $75 that you will miss out on, which will be passed up to the person that enrolled you into the program. All right. But moving on, when it comes to making some additional money online, whether you're starting out or whether you're trying to add additional streams, you want to keep your costs down. Okay, so another thing, guys, is that you have no monthly fees. Okay, no monthly fees or physical products. Okay, now with that being said, that's $0, 0 cents per month. Okay, no monthly fees, no physical product. The reason why this is like this is a game changer is because with any business, and I know with my business, like I'm in network marketing, I have an auto ship that I have to pay. I have the membership fee I have to pay, right? I have like with my affiliate programs, I have ad expense that I have to pay. Just like with coaching and things like that, these are things that are recurring, right? And it's one of those things, guys, where I know, like, depending on where you are, I know people are trying to start making money online and they don't have a large budget, or the idea of spending money to make money, which I get it, but putting yourself in a position where you don't have to worry about that monthly fee, meaning wherever you come in at, let's say you don't make money, let's say you don't promote this thing for 3 months, and of course you don't make any money for 3 months. Guess what? You still have positioned yourself where that $100 still have power, whether it's the $250, the $500, or the $1,000, right? But the idea is you are still in position. But if you join a network marketing company or some other program that has a monthly fee and you don't promote it, you kind of feel like, why am I paying this membership fee and I'm not doing anything with it? You don't have that problem with this program, all right? But moving on, another thing you want to have access to is the proper training, okay? You want to have the proper training, guys. And like I stated, training or anything else, guys, these things come with a price, right? I spend a couple $100s a month to be mentored by multiple six-figure earners. And the thing is that a lot of people don't have that type of money, or they may not even have that type of belief, okay? But in order to really start making money, you want to connect with someone that can show you basically a blueprint or get you started to making some commissions. That way you can reinvest into yourself, or whether it's other programs or mentorship or coaching, right? But you want to have the right training. And training portals or platforms, guys, it can be a bit costly, all right? But if you decide to partner with me, guys, you will get access to my weekly training in my private Facebook group. Basically, $0 and 0 cents. All right, so keep in mind, what I'm doing is keeping your costs down. All right, the only thing you have invested right now is the 25, the 100, the 250, the 500, or the 1,000. But right now, you have no monthly fees or physical products, and you're getting free training. All right. Another thing, guys, is mentorship. Okay, like I just stated, when it comes to your brand, building your brand, building a business, you want to be connected with like-minded people, right? And it doesn't mean that you have to be connected with these massively successful people, right? But you want to be around people, guys. You want to be in a community of like-minded people that are after the same thing. Well, guess what? We come to mentorship, guys. Once again, this can be a monthly fee, right? But if you decide to partner up with me by clicking the link below, guys, you're going to get my mentorship as well for, right, exactly, $0, 0 cents each and every month, all right? And the last thing, guys, you want to really consider when doing any type of business is that you want to make sure that you have the adequate amount of support, okay? The idea is, we run into hiccups. We have issues. You may have problems with websites. You may have problems, with people. You may have anything, right? So having that support, guys, is another game changer. And once again, this can cost, all right? This can cost because a lot of programs, you're either paying for that program to get that support, or, whatever, or you just kind of stuck. So you get access to our support group as well, guys. Basically free of charge, all right? Now, here's the idea. I don't know your current income status. I don't know your current income goal, but I do know this, guys. We have a private Facebook group, basically where we add people to this group, and I will introduce you to our system. Like right now, while I'm doing this video, that system is working for me, right? It's people that can be added to this group, people that can be placed in our system. We have resources. I will give you guys my 21-day follow-up sequence, which is high, like it converts at a high rate. It's basically where you will add people to a process, and you have a 21-day sequence to get this person basically on board, right? So it's setting you up to start making money within your first 30 days. So the 21-day follow-up sequence and my getting started blueprint. Basically, it's something where you're creating easy duplication. It doesn't take you having to keep track, hold people's hands. I got people in the group, what do I do next, right? So you will have these resources at your disposal, right, where you can basically start building a massive team from anywhere, right? And that's the cool part, guys, is that I create a pretty cool system that anyone can do, and it works. And I've put people through this process that has gotten paid within the first 24 to 48 hours. So the deal is this, guys. Be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, it's going to take you to a page where you can take a look at more of the information and just decide which one you want to come in at. All right, but like I said, guys, let me know if you had catch this video. Let me know if this video was valuable to you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell notifications. I try to drop a video each and every week. All right, and other than that, I will see you guys on the next video. It's your boy J Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you.
I'm the man, I'm the man. Hey, came in the game getting money. Flip chicks with